The white-throated fantail, Rhipidura albicollis, is a small passerine bird found in Asia, particularly in the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. It is part of the Rhipiduridae family. Known for their distinctive fan-shaped tails and active, agile movements, identification size, about 18 to 21 centimeters in length. Appearance, it has a characteristic white throat, which contrasts with its dark gray to blackish upper parts. The wings are brownish, and the tail is long and fanned, with white tips. Behavior, known for their restless and acrobatic flight. They frequently spread their tails to display the white tips. Habitat-white-throated fantails inhabit various types of forests, including tropical, subtropical, and temperate zones. They are often found near streams and water bodies. Their diet mainly consists of insects, which they catch in flight or pick off leaves and branches. Breeding nesting, they build cup-shaped nests, often low in shrubs or trees. Reproduction, females typically lay 2 to 4 eggs, and both parents participate in feeding the chicks. Vocalization: the white-throated fantail is known for its vocal nature, producing a variety of whistles and calls, which it often uses to communicate and mark its territory. These birds are a delight to birdwatchers due to their energetic behavior and distinctive appearance. Certainly. Here's more detailed information on the white-throated fantail, Rhipidura albicollis. Distribution: the white-throated fantail has a wide range across South Asia and Southeast Asia. It is found in countries like India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia, and parts of southern China. Subspecies: there are several recognized subspecies of the white-throated fantail, which vary slightly in appearance and distribution. Some of these include R.A. albicollis, found in the Himalayas from Nepal to Bhutan. R.A. albicularis, found in northeastern India and southeastern Tibet. R.A. canescens, found in southern China, Myanmar, and northern Thailand. Behavior: foraging. White-throated fantails are highly active foragers. They typically catch insects on the wing, performing agile twists and turns. They also glean insects from foliage. Territoriality. These birds are quite territorial and will defend their feeding and breeding territories vigorously against intruders. Social behavior. While generally solitary or found in pairs during the breeding season, they can sometimes be seen in mixed species feeding flocks outside the breeding season. Reproduction: breeding season. The breeding season generally spans from March to July, varying slightly with location. Nest construction. The nest is a compact cup made of fine grasses, rootlets, and cobwebs, often lined with finer materials. It is typically placed in a fork of a small tree or shrub, often near water. Parental care. Both parents are involved in incubating the eggs and feeding the chicks. The chicks fledge about 2 weeks after hatching. Vocalization: songs and calls. The white-throated fantail has a variety of calls, including sharp, chit sounds and more melodious whistles. Their vocalizations are an important part of their behavior, used for communication between mates. And territorial defense. Conservation status: the white-throated fantail is currently listed as a species of least concern by the IUCN Red List. It has a wide distribution and is relatively common within its range. However, habitat destruction and degradation could pose future threats. Cultural significance: in some cultures, the white-throated fantail is appreciated for its lively presence and insect-eating habits, which help control insect populations. Birdwatchers particularly enjoy observing these birds due to their active and entertaining behavior. Observation tips: location. Look for them in forested areas, especially near water bodies. Behavior. Watch for their characteristic tail fanning and agile flight as they catch insects. Vocalization. Listen for their distinctive calls. which can help in locating them. This energetic and charming bird is a joy to observe in its natural habitat, showcasing the rich biodiversity of the regions it inhabits.